Hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com, and today we're going to be making a 2022 fine silver proof Maya Angelou quarter. We're going to pop this out of here real quick, and just for anyone who doesn't believe me, see it says silver proof. Look on the inside here. These are fine silver. That's the one we want right there. Come on, there we go. Put the rest of these up for another day. If anybody has any questions while I work on this, feel free to ask. If you'd like to check out my shop or any of my other links, you can tap the little gold chain at the bottom of the screen down here. If it's there. There it is. Give that an old tap. Check it out. Lots of good links on that. All right. So this is the quarter we're going to be working on today. Really nice. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. I'm going to get that prepped up here real quick. Head side out. Down. Y'all don't be scared. You can tap the screen if you're enjoying the live. And tap the chain down here if you want to check out my shop. If you have any questions, let me know. I work on all types of different coins. Make them into rings, cowboy hats, keychains, all kinds of cool stuff. So go check it out. You can use the coupon code WELCOME on my website as well. That'll save you 10% off anything you do order. A little incentive to go check it out. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. There is our center punch. Pretty cool. Let's see how our coin's looking. Very nice. Nothing really beats the shine of fine silver. It's going to make a really nice ring. So the next step is to clean up that inside edge where we just punched the hole through. It's a little sharp. So we're going to take a deburring tool and smooth that out real quick. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. I appreciate it. If you feel so inclined, why don't you throw your favorite emoji in the chat, lighten things up a bit. Hey, I'm ready when you are. Shoot me a message. Very pretty. Very pretty. Smooth it out with a little steel wool real quick. Then we'll take it over to the 1-ton barber press. Let's go. If you offset the center punch hole, can you get a wider top and a thinner bottom? It's really difficult to do that because the center punch tool automatically centers. But I do have another punch that can kind of do that. Let me see. So I accidentally did that once with a dime. And the issue with that is it's really difficult to get it to a nice ring shape in the size you want. So if the band is really thin on one side and really thick on the other, it's really difficult to kind of manipulate it, stretch it, and shape it. I did finish this one, which was a bit of an accident. But I don't typically offer this kind of design because it's just hard to work on. I'd be open to try it if that's what you're interested in. What's the machine behind me doing? That's a 3D printer. It is 3D printing a sorter I designed for pennies. So I can sort 10 years of pennies in this little holder thing. And the first one I made was too short. You can see it's full of pennies. So this one's going to be about 2.5 times as tall, so I can fit more pennies in it. So I've got these penny cowboy hat necklaces and keychains I make, but I've never really offered different years for them. And with these, I can kind of sort out what years I have and give you guys a bit more of an option when you order those. You can kind of customize them and pick out the year you're looking for. Little side project I'm working on, just to give you guys a little more choice. Thank you very much. If you guys have never checked it out, do tap the little gold chain down here. Check out my shop. You can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order. I work on a bunch of different types of coins, quarters, dimes, half dollars, dollars, commemorative rounds. So there's lots to pick from if you're interested in getting one. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much. We want to make sure this edge right here is nice and smooth before we start stretching it. If there's any kind of cracks or scratches on that edge, when we start stretching it, it will split the coin. And that is not what we want. We've got it nice and cleaned up there. I'm going to ask you all to kindly tap the screen for a couple seconds, send me some likes, see if we can get to 200. That'd be sweet. And we're just going to stretch this out a little bit here. This one's going to be a size 6, so it's actually a pretty small ring. We don't have to stretch it too much. Mostly just stretching it to give it a bit of a better shape. And it's looking pretty good. Alright, we're going to head back to the 1-ton arbor press. You can see it's a bit wider on one side than the other. So what we're going to do now is even up each side of the ring by reducing that wider one. y'all hit the follow button if you're liking this live. I'm making coin rings here on TikTok all the time. You want to see more of this, hit the follow button. If you'd like to get a coin ring, you can use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off my website shop. And you can find that by tapping the little gold chain at the bottom of the screen, or going to buycoinrings.com, which is pretty easy to remember. So now we've got a really nice shape on this. And this is a fine silver quarter, so this is completely silver. Really, really nice details. If you look on the inside here, there is a bit of a lip right there. That can be pretty uncomfortable, so the next step is going to be to cut that away and remove it. So while I do this, you guys have a few minutes to check out the site. Tap the gold chain, go take a look. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're looking for something in particular, a specific year, specific type of coin, ask away. If you have any questions, let me know.